Read, create, learn, play, and connect with the County Library in August. Don your mask in a mystical realm and let the magic unfold during a night of wonder, delight, and merriment exclusively for adults at Fae Masquerade Saturday, August 19th from 7 until 10 p.m. Elves, fairies, gnomes, and goblins are invited to sway to the mystical swing melodies of the Aaron Ashton Band at our most alluring gala. Fantastical outfits and masks will make the evening more enchanting, but they're not required. You won't have to pay the troll to enter, but you must register for tickets at thecountylibrary.org/adultnightout. If you don't have a mask, you can make one at a special Fae Masquerade Craft Night, August 2nd at the Bingham Creek branch. Our how-to archive helps you become more independent, informed, and resourceful, or learn for fun as you master automobile repair, home improvement, computer skills, and even become a smarter shopper. The How-To Archive is a free digital resource that includes full Chilton's auto repair manuals for most makes and models, step-by-step home improvement instructions, coding and software development guides, access to consumer reports, craft tutorials, legal guidance, and more. Welcome to the best place to start any do-it-yourself project. Begin yours now at thecountylibrary.org/how-to. Share memories and look back on 25 years of history at the Bingham Creek branch. Remember the timeless tales and celebrate the lasting bonds created in this special place where stories came alive when you were younger and continue to delight today. Celebrate with 90s-themed activities, crafts, and games for all ages Wednesday, August 9th from 1 until 4 p.m. Learn more at thecountylibrary.org/Bingham Creek Anniversary. And local experts discuss topics that impact our community and explore ideas for the future in our Let's Be Neighbors virtual panel series. August's presentation is Aging Together, Resources and Care for Longevity. You'll discover a path to empowered aging for you and your loved ones, discussing resources and strategies for staying informed, active, and fulfilled in life's later years. Registration is required for the Tuesday, August 8th, 7 p.m. panel. You can register at thecountylibrary.org/Let's Be Neighbors. Thanks for joining us for Connect. We can't wait to read, create, learn, play, and connect with you in August.